This office isn't McDonald's. Everyone gets something different. Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Waddell from North River Family Chiropractic, and I want to talk to you about how we approach your low back pain in this office. Yes, it's one of the most common issues that we see that people are dealing with. It's a challenge, it's not fun, and I understand that. We're going to try and correct it. Not just patchwork it, not just throw some pills at it, but actually correct it. So not only do we approach your health with specificity, where we want to find out whether or not we can help you, and if we can, then we're going to do so. We look for misalignments in the spine, where the bones cannot be moved back by any pill, potion, or lotion, but where we're going to physically adjust them back into place. But here's the question I get a lot. Well, won't they go back out, doc? And the answer is, yeah, they do. So what we want to do is, after we've taken your specific x-rays and we've started to retrain the spine to go back into place, is give you the soft tissue component. What's the soft tissue component? Muscles, ligaments, tendons, they play an enormous role. We have scar tissue throughout our body, and thank God we do, because it almost holds us together, but quite often it can hold us in a misaligned way. So what we need to do is get these bones lined up and then get the soft tissue component to assist and work with us instead of against us, right? So we have a database of over 1,000 stretches, and we want to choose the specific stretches that are right for your body, right? So again, this is Dr. Adam Waddell from North River Family Chiropractic. As always, I'm encouraging you to take back your health naturally, holistically, and if you found this information useful, or if you want to find out if we can help you with your low back pain, click that link, Learn More button below. Tag a family member, a friend, share the video. Either way, we hope to see you in the office, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.